Hi guys, I'm Jasmine and this is Breakthrough in English. Today's lesson is all about the money. For those who don't know, English is now the global economic language. Sorry, French. I know you really wanted that one. As such, we English speakers have a lot of words to describe money. Thank you, consumerism. To begin, we're going to talk about some of the synonyms for money. In a formal setting, you might hear the words finances, funds, capital, currency, and legal tender. Finances, funds, and capital are formal words for a sum of money or financial resources. It seems we need more finances for this project. The project funds are running dry. We really need to find some capital for this project. Currency refers to the specific type of money that each country uses. For example, US dollars, euros, or Chinese yuan are all different types of currencies. I'd like to exchange my US currency for Canadian currency. It's so much prettier. Finally, legal tender is a super formal word for the type of money that's allowed to be used in a certain country. For example, the French franc used to be the legal tender in France, but now the legal tender is the euro. Cash is money that is in the form of bills, paper money, or coins. In North America, the slang word for a dollar is a buck. A buck, as you might know, also means a male deer. Some people think we use the word buck because we used to use animals like deer as currency.
Can you loan me a couple of bucks, eh? Sure, no problem, eh? Got a couple of bucks out back.
More slang words for money include bacon, dough, and cheddar. What's with the food? We use the expression bring home the bacon to mean earn money. Honey, did you get the bacon?
Yes, I got one package right here.
Someone who brings home the bacon is the breadwinner, or the person in the household who earns money. Honey, did you get the dough?
Yes, I got the dough. I am the breadwinner after all.
Finally, cheddar. It's a bit random, but it fits with the food theme. Honey, did you get the cheddar?
Honey, of course I got the cheddar. I got the bread, I got the dough, I got the bacon. What more do you want?
Someone who has no money is broke or penniless. I'd like to pay for my share of the rent, but I'm broke. Someone who has a bit of money, but not very much, is pressed for cash.
You can press me all you want, but I don't have any cash.
Another way of saying pressed for cash is short on money. I'd like to buy you a birthday present, but I'm short on money. Someone who has a lot of money is rich.
Hello? Yes, I'd like to book a suite at your Grand Hotel. Yes, the spa treatment package too. Yes, and the helicopter pickup on arrival. Yes, that will do nicely. And your best champagne. Money is no object.
Formal ways of describing a rich person are affluent, wealthy, well-off, or well-to-do. Quite frankly, I am an affluent, well-off, wealthy woman from a well-to-do family. Informal ways of describing a rich person are made of money, rolling in dough, have money to burn, and deep pockets. Someone who is good at saving money and doesn't really like to spend it is economical, thrifty, or frugal. These words usually have a positive connotation. Someone who is overly concerned with spending money in a negative way is cheap or a penny pincher. A stingy hoarder of money is called a miser.
Money. It's all
Someone who spends a lot of money without a second thought is called a spendthrift or a big spender. If you spend your money in a wasteful or unwise way, you can use the phrases blow your money on something, throw your money around, or squander your money away. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you learned something new and interesting. Please subscribe to my channel. There'll be more great videos coming your way.